Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Fortiva Credit Card Account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.fortivafinancial.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Fortiva. Go ahead and enter your credentials into the welcome box at the right hand side. Start by entering your username in the first text box and then head over to the next field and type in your password. While typing in your password, make sure to type it in correct. To double check your password, click on this little show icon at the right side. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can check this remember me box over here before logging into your account. But if you're using a public computer or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this box unchecked. If you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this forgot password or your username link and follow the instructions in order to reset your password or to look for your username. If you've not enrolled or signed up for Fortiva Credit Card yet, go and click on this not enrolled sign up now link and follow the instructions. Finally, after entering your information, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Fortiva Credit Card account. That is how you'll be able to log into Fortiva Credit Card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.